Sickle cell disease is also known as sickle cell anemia is a genetic condition that deforms red blood cells, which is also known as a kind of genetic disorder. It affects red blood cells. People with red blood cell disease have red blood cells that contain mostly hemoglobin. The normal red blood cell is in round shape, but the sickle red blood cell will become sticky and hard to chew with a curved blade, and it makes them very hard to pass through the small blood vessel and cuts off the flow of oxygen to tissue in the body. Besides this, there is less blood can reach each part of body that does not receive a normal blood flow or become damaged. People with sickle cell disease can suffer severe pain, bacterial infection, and the death of tissue. Sickle cell anemia is an inherited blood disorder. However, sickle cell is a recessive genetic trait. Carrying one sickle genetic trait actually confers a greater ability to fight malarial infections, while carrying two sickle cell genes results in defective red blood cells responsible for the symptoms of the disease. Sonny Calvin John was suffered from sickle cell disease. He was 10 years old. He said that suffered from sickle cell anemia was pain, and he cried a lot. He also mentioned that he got blood transfusion every 4 weeks to help him feel better and stay healthy. There was no cure for sickle cell anemia. However, in the VOA Healthy Report in December, research in the United States reports curing 9 adults with sickle cell disease. Marrow is a soft tissue in the bones. It helps to produce red blood cells. Therefore, doctors decided to use chemicals to destroy the marrow of the patients. Then they replaced it with healthy marrow, so that the new marrow will produce new healthy red blood cells.